Hey, what's up, guys? Sanchez back again, providing you guys with another video of me trading on my cell phone. What I want to concentrate on this part is actually how I go about monitoring my trades. Okay, setting your trades and forgetting it is the easy part. No, not the easy part, but it's one piece of the puzzle. The other piece of the puzzle is now again I'm an intraday trader. So what that means is I'm looking at my chart, a few times a day just to check on them kind of thing, maybe 5 times. Obviously, I love charting, so I'm on my phone a lot more than just 5 times, but that's the idea as I get better. So let's just go ahead and go down the chart. Let's look at where we at. So today, I'm at $712 before 5 p.m. I started trading around 5:30 a.m. Okay. So you see that I did take a loss on EU, but overall, we're doing really well. Okay. So EU, I probably could have held, to be honest, because look where that price fell at. In 183. 183 is where I exited. 183 is where I exited. Why did I exit? I didn't know how far up it was gonna go, and I didn't feel like dealing with the drawdown. So, because I have a hunch that it's not over yet. Like it exited. I pulled at 183, which is like right here, something like that. I'm expecting, obviously, based on my sell limit, I'm expecting price to go up and then drop. I didn't want to. I didn't. I think I entered like right here, so I didn't want to deal with that drawdown. I'm a little bit of impatient there, but nonetheless, that was our loss. Let's see for the week. Since Monday, I've earned $1,520. As you can see, I am getting better at trading. And the point is not to is not to avoid loss. The point is to be consistent. Okay, you just want to win more than you lose. And I'm trading zone to zone. So right now, let's go ahead and check through our trades, what we got active. Okay, obviously we have our limits, but let's check our running trades. So right now here, Euro AUD sell for 0.10 lot size. Take profits at 1.543. Again, I like even numbers. So let's go ahead and check out that chart. EA. Cool. So it looks like it's going down here. This trade, I can review each trade with you guys if you like. It's kind of boring. It might be boring, but we have another pattern here. So it starts there, ends here. Let me show you what that pattern is. Got like a little bat pattern or Gartley or some shit. I don't know. But based on this pattern, it's supposed to drop. Okay. So that was one reason to sell. The other reason is obviously we're in a downtrend. You can see that without me draw downtrend. So I'm expecting the trend to continue downwards. That's the idea. Now the reason why I'm taking profit here is because I believe it's going to shoot back up. So it's going to drop here. Obviously I drew my Fibonacci. You see the 61.8 level, and then I think it's going to continue up to the 1.618 level, and then it's going to continue back down or do something else. Why do I think that? Because here our moving average is going to meet with price. That's my theory behind it. So that's why I have a short take profit. How do I estimate my take profit? Obviously the 618 level there. And I may end up shorting it a little bit. We're just going to go ahead and see how much bullish momentum we get. Because let's go to here. So price might make its way down here before turning around. So somewhere in between that 61 and 78 level, it might go ahead and reverse. So at that point, I could take profit. All right. So I'm letting that ride out for a bit. U.S. Mexico. Let's go ahead and check it out. All right. You can see my take profit pretty short again. Why? Because we're on an uptrend. And I'm selling the pullback pretty much. There was a bigger reason why I entered this sell, though, because this is such a strong uptrend. Yeah, it's such a strong uptrend. Let's see. Yeah, that's why I'm not holding this one too much longer. Let's go to the weekly. Okay, let's see. Do we have anything on the weekly? Yeah, we do right there. There's another pattern right there. Another Gartley pattern. So if we do this, boop, 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 right? okay, here, and then drop. So you can see why I set it so short, because it actually might pull up a little bit more before it drops down. But I don't know yet. I kind of might pull out right now, because we're pretty close to my take profit. We're hitting the wick zone, and we're at the 61.8. And we're trading against a trend. I don't like really doing that. It's a little bit more advanced, but you can do it, obviously. You can see here where I entered early. Entered a 0.50 lot right here, and obviously it kept going up. So you just want to be careful about that. And that's what happens when you're trading against a trend. You don't know when that's going to stop. Okay, like like price can be going up, and you're like, oh, I think it's going to stop here and could turn down, and then it just keeps going up. Oh, okay, I think it's going to stop and could turn down, and then it keeps going up. So you just want to avoid that situation. So that's why I'm taking a tight loss. I'm not going to get out until I see signs of reversal. So right now I still don't see any signs of reversal yet. Still going to go down to, I think it's still going to move downwards. Let's see, 30. Yeah, so we finally do got a we do have a bullish candle right there. Let's see what that candle does, if it respects the 618 or not. So you see how we broke it, retest it, and continue down, and then that's what's going to take my profit based on that 30-minute candle. So we got to see what it is doing. This is a very good sign. That means it's respecting that zone, so it doesn't want to go back. So actually I'm going to leave my take profit there. Let's see what the 30-minute candle does on that 618 level. Okay, so that's Mexico. Actually, I got 2 trades going. EA, all right, that's finally picking up there. Okay, so I'm in a CJ. Let's see, CJ. I'm in a big drawdown. Wow. So looking at 30-minute candles, you can see what it did there. The reason why I entered, it looks like we had a little consolidation here, and I got in early. Consolidation. So I entered here, thinking boop boop boop. That's what I was expecting. Obviously, shot up. We are in an uptrend. So see what I mean? See this up? Well, that's the 30-minute candle. Let's go to our 4-hour. See if we get a better idea. Okay, much better. So we are starting an uptrend, very strong uptrend. So it should pull down. Yeah, I'm thinking it's gonna come down. I think it's gonna do something like this. It could go down here, come up, something like that. I'm not really too sure on this trade, actually. Let me go ahead and look at it on a bigger scale. What was telling me to enter? Okay, so we got another little pattern there, but that's a sharp uptrend. So if we look here, boop, 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 boop. Now, obviously, that might be forcing it, so it might go up a little bit more. Well, I know it is. Yeah, see, if price goes up here, that would be perfect. That pattern will make sense if it goes up, right? So go up to our 200, maybe something like that. I don't know. Definitely have a. Let's see what else we got. I'm gonna hold on to it. I may take a. Yeah, I'm holding on, because it does look like it's starting to whip around. Let's go to the weekly. All right, what we got in our weekly? Oh, okay, so our weekly looks a little bit better, actually, because you can see here we got consolidation right here, broke out, retest our consolidation, and then continue down. So yeah, so that looks good on the weekly. Obviously, we're far away from the weekly, but you can see what I'm saying. Like that's the idea. So it may continue a little bit more drawdown, because it could continue going up. Yeah, it could definitely continue going up, especially if that's a push right here. So sometimes this could be a much bigger movement, right? All waves have waves. So this one, and then came down here, and then this one will keep going up. So you know what I mean? So 0, 1, 2, and then this guy, and then it's gonna come down and then go up. So that's a possibility as well. You just want to be aware of all possibilities. I'm gonna set my stop loss Where will my stop loss be? See, this one's actually kind of a big stop loss, unfortunately. I could set it right around here. Oh, that's a daily chart. Obviously, that's a lot of pips. So maybe the thing is, if I exit right here, I think it's, yeah, this will be a good exit zone. About 1.12. So let's do that. 1.12 for CJ. Stop loss. What was it? 1112. Okay, let's see what that looks like. Yeah. Alright, so that's our daily. Let's go to 4 hour. So it's kind of a tight stop loss on that one. Let me go ahead and move it up. Let's go to 12.3. Let's go to 12. Well, actually, if you ever see how we have nothing to compare right now, so what's the next best thing to do here is you look to your left. All right, look to your left to get other trading zones. So let's go ahead and turn our camera sideways, and you can see it's actually been at this zone for it's tested it quite a bit in history. Wow. So that's a very busy zone. That's another good sign of why it might fall down before it goes up. You can really see the 3 pushes on this side. Look at this. Here we go. So you can see, and so we were in this cell. Now we're breaking to the top side. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So something like that, right? That could definitely happen because obviously price will be up with our moving average too in that instance. But price has to first break this very, very key level that we're at. You got to see if it's going to break it or not. So right now it's reading resistance. So that's another good sign of to sell. So let's see, where do we want to put our stop loss at? Let's go ahead and add a trend line in, horizontal line. Let's see, look to our left for the next zone, okay? Alright, so this is our zone. So let's see, yeah, that looks pretty good to me right about here. So 1.123, 1.123, that's what we're going to do, 1.123, 1.123. So that's how we get to our current. See, yeah, there we go. So that looks better. So if it keeps going up, you know, that's going to hit my stop loss right there. But I'm expecting it to go down based on everything that I just said. All right, so that's CJ. Let's go to EJ chart. I already explained EJ in my other video. Basically, this is what I'm expecting. Break trend, take profit, retest trend, continuation. Boom. Pretty simple there. EJ. Yep. So UJ, that'll be the last one I want to go over. UJ, what we got going? So I've been in this cell for a while. Okay. So this guy might try to pop up for a head and shoulder as well. But this guy is definitely coming down. Yeah. So what this guy is doing, I think, based on this H4 right here, down, boop, down, boop, down. So that's what I'm expecting here. This is a sell, so you would enter sell here, enter sell here, enter sell here, take profit down here. All right. So that's based on the H4. Also, the other thing here, UJ was on the uptrend. Used to be on the uptrend. Again, break. It's going to retest. And it's going to continue down. All right. So that's UJ. And the limits looks like I'm on 14 minutes already, so I'm gonna end it here, guys. But that's how I review my trades. Take it easy.